Hello everyone at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. Today we have a Samsung A70, and as you can see here, there is a crack on the LCD or on the glass, and the touch is not responsive. So customer dropped it off today. We need to do a screen replacement, and we will show you how to change the screen on this Samsung A70. So I always recommend, before you do anything, to remove the SIM tray. And the phone is totally hot, so we need to remove the back cover. This one, it's been like replaced maybe before. We remove all the screws holding the back frame cover. This one is hiding under the glue. The customer asked for OEM screen. If you have any Samsung phone, iPhone, Google Pixel, LG, whatever, any cell phone needs screen replacement, you can book an appointment at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. You just Google it and you can pick an appointment. You are very welcome here in the Richmond Hill, Ontario branch. Disconnect the battery. This is the ear speaker. This is the vibration. The screen has been replaced before. Fingerprint sensor. That's it. We'll put this screw back. We connect the LCD. We connected the charging port cable and the battery cable connected back. Turn it on. Here we go. This is cover. Screen is good. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs service for Samsung.